Did you know that AI is expected to power 80% of all marketing strategies in 2025? From personalized content to predictive analytics, it's not just a trend anymore, it's the new standard. And if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. In today's video, I'll break down the top AI marketing trends, and more importantly, I'll show you exactly how you can leverage them for your business so you stay ahead of your competition. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you want to stay ahead using the latest AI tools and insights, then be sure to sign up for my newsletter using the link in the description below. Number one is influencer marketing and the rise of AI. Influencer marketing isn't just growing, it's exploding. By 2027, that number is expected to reach 48 billion. And it makes sense because the return on investment is quite impressive. On average, businesses get $5.78 for every dollar that they're spending on influencer marketing. Here's the twist. AI influencers are driving a whole new wave of innovation in this space. Let's look at a real example first. Fit Aitana. She's completely AI generated and she has over 300,000 followers on Instagram who actively engage with her content. She shares workouts, fitness tips, and motivational content that feels just as real as what a human influencer would post. Here's the interesting story behind Aitana. She was created by Ruben Cruz during a time when business was slow for him. So he had the clever idea. Why not create his own AI influencer who can model for brands? That's how Aitana, a 25-year-old lady with pink hair from Barcelona, came to life. And she's doing really well too, earning up to $10,000 per month. So why does this matter? AI influencers are changing the industry in three big ways. First of all, scalability. AI influencers can post 24/7. They can immediately jump on trends, and they can work with multiple brands without ever getting tired. Number two is cost effectiveness. Working with AI influencers often costs less, which is great for smaller businesses. And number three, even AI influencers can build trust. Fit Aitana does this by telling stories that feel human and relatable. Which brings us to the question, how can you use this trend? Develop your own AI influencer persona. With today's AI tools, you can easily develop a custom AI persona that connects directly with your audience. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly products, you can easily develop an AI influencer who's passionate about sustainability. This persona could share relatable stories, promote your products, and engage with your audience, just like a human would. Tools like Synthesia make it easy to get started. Next, experiment with human and AI influencers together. Human influencers are great at creating emotional connections, while AI influencers provide steady, scalable content. This combination helps you to connect with different audience groups effectively. For 2025, brands are also more often partnering with micro-influencers. That means individuals who have a smaller, more loyal following. One of the keys to successful influencer marketing is to go away from one-off collaborations, but build longer relationships. This way, the audience grows to trust your brand as an authentic part of the influencer's life. Speaking about connecting with audiences, let's talk about another big trend that is completely changing how brands communicate with their audiences, that is amplified by AI, the rise of short-form video content. The average user spends 2 hours and 19 minutes per day on social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even LinkedIn are becoming the go-to spaces for brands to connect with their audiences in seconds. And the numbers speak for themselves. 31% of marketeers report the highest ROI from short-form video content, and revenue from short-form video ads is expected to surpass 10 billion. So if you're not using shorts in your marketing, you're missing out. For example, there's a clip that got over 5 million views where Duolingo's Green Ol participated in a funny swimming contest that fans called Duolympics, claiming the top spot and plenty of laughs. Their videos often go viral, showcasing how effective shorts can be in order to build brand awareness. Similarly, Canva is doing amazing things on Instagram, showcasing a new product feature with a real-life example in a few seconds. So how can you dominate this space? First of all, you need to master platform-specific video strategies, as each platform has their own approach. TikTok is all about trends and humor. Think about lighthearted challenges and relatable moments that connect with the younger audience. On Instagram, the focus is on eye-catching visuals and authentic storytelling. And then there's LinkedIn, which is all about being professional and showcasing your thought leadership, where you can share tips, tricks on industry trends that position you as an authority. Then you have to deliver maximum value in seconds. With attention spans shrinking even more, you have exactly 3 seconds to hook your viewer. Start with something bold, a surprising fact, a question, or something that's visually appealing. From there, deliver quick, actionable insights that leave your audience wanting more. For example, you can showcase a product feature in 30 seconds or share a productivity hack that saves hours. The next strategy is hyper-targeted audience segmentation with AI. Right now, consumers are getting bombarded with thousands of messages every single day. Consumers don't just want personalization anymore. They expect it. That's where AI-powered, hyper-targeted audience segmentation comes in. Instead of just using basic data like age or past purchases, AI identifies patterns and predicts what a customer or prospect will need. Businesses that use AI for audience segmentation see a 20% higher conversion rate and a 77% higher ROI compared to those who don't. Let's look at a real-life example. An online education company uses AI to personalize all of their messaging. For individual learners on a free trial, the AI can spot when someone might lose interest, and it can send them a message like, "Loved Module 1, unlock the full course with a 20% discount, offer ends soon." For corporate teams who are using the free trial, AI will also track the progress and send a message to the decision maker like, "Your team has completed 500 hours of training. Upgrade to Pro now so you can unlock certificates and check the progress." This personalized outreach boosts engagement and drives conversions immediately. How can you take advantage of this trend? First, combine your data. In order to use AI effectively, you need a solid base of customer data. Start by organizing your data. Bring together everything that you already know from your website, your emails, your CRM, and combine it with outside insights like industry trends. Then use predictive analytics. Let AI predict what your customers or prospects might do. For example, it can spot when someone might stop using your product or service and trigger a personalized retention campaign. Tools like Salesforce Einstein or HubSpot will help you to pull this data into one place, giving you a complete picture of your audience. Then personalize by microsegment. Break your audience into smaller specific groups based on their preferences and behaviors. For example, send fun casual messages to Gen Z buyers and stick to professional communication for corporate decision makers. These steps will help you use AI to connect with your audience in a personal way, and that drives real results. The next strategy is completely changing how we find information online. And that is the evolution of search. Search isn't just about Google anymore, and that is huge. Did you know that 40% of Gen Z uses TikTok or Instagram for searches instead of Google? And it doesn't stop there. Millions of people are turning to AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity to get quick answers instead of checking traditional search results. And if your business isn't adapting, you're falling behind. Imagine you own a coffee shop. On Google, someone might search for coffee shop near me. But on TikTok, it's all about the visuals. It's about showcasing your signature drinks, your creative coffee art, and the cozy vibe of your shop. Let's take a look at a clip from Joe and the Juice to see how they're engaging prospects with humor. So how are conversational AI assistants impacting search? Let's say you're a SaaS company and you ask ChatGPT, what is the best project management software for small teams? If your content isn't optimized for clear, concise answers, then you probably won't even show up in the results, which means that you will get way less traffic on your website. Here's what you can do. Optimize for AI search tools. That means you need to structure your content around how people naturally speak. Write blog posts and landing pages that mimic questions like, how do I choose a software for my small business? You can use a tool like Answer the Public to find the most common questions and then create blog posts, landing pages, and FAQ sections to answer them. As a next step, ask ChatGPT and Perplexity questions related to your industry and see how they respond. And then identify gaps where your content might rank. Then create content for social search. Create short, engaging videos that are optimized for discovery. Be sure to use trending keywords and hashtags that users are searching for. You can use a free tool like All Hashtags to find them. So for example, if you're a fitness brand, you can post quick workout tips with a hashtag like home workout or fitness tip. You can check out a brand like Gymshark who is doing this on TikTok. This brings me me to my last trend, conversational AI assistants. Conversational AI assistants have evolved far beyond simple chatbots. They're becoming essential tools for lead generation, crafting meaningful first impressions, and guiding prospects down the sales funnel. Take HubSpot's AI-powered chatbot, for example. It doesn't just handle simple inquiries. It engages prospects by offering tailored product recommendations. It schedules appointments and even qualifies leads based on their engagement. Here's what you can do to stay ahead. Create tailored conversational flows. Think of your chatbot as your virtual tour guide. If someone explores your product page, it could ask, what's your priority? Saving time, boosting team efficiency, or driving growth. This makes the interaction feel personal, and it engages visitors on your page. So how do you best start? Map out your customer journey, and then use tools like HubSpot to align your chatbot script with that journey. Then focus on qualifying questions. Not all visitors are ready to buy, so be sure to ask smart questions so you can sort your leads. For example, how big is your team size? How soon do you need a solution? Then use a CRM that has lead scoring in place, so your sales team knows who to call first. Marketing has entered the AI era, and it's reshaping everything. Whether it's AI-powered influencers, short-form video content, or hyper-personalized campaigns, the brands that will win are those who will leverage AI to build experiences for their customers and prospects that they love. And the best part? You just need to start leveraging AI in a way that matters to your audience. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite trend from today's video? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe for more actionable AI insights. I'll catch you in the next one.